Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we are diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked D-Wave Quantum as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.09. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, and indicators point to a potential increase within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 13.73% over the upcoming 3 months, with estimated returns ranging from negative 38.52% to positive 31.67%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 220.2%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 63.84% and 282.65% over the next year. In today's terms, this would imply a future price range between $17.07 and $39.87. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum features the headline, High Volatility in D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price on Thursday, which concluded trading at $10.42. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, the stock price of D-Wave Quantum Incorporated surged by 51.23%, climbing from $6.89 to $10.42. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 41.25%, with a low of $7.71 and a high of $10.89. Although the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 41.77% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume increased on this day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 204 million additional shares were traded compared to the previous day, with an overall total of 223 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.33 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $11.95, while the lowest was 75 cents. Currently, the price stands 12.80%, or $1.53. Below the 52-week high, and 21.24%, or $2.81, below the all-time high reached on August 10, 2022, when the price peaked at $13.23. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated, trading under the ticker QBTS, has experienced a noteworthy surge of 22% in its stock today. This increase follows the release of its first quarter earnings report, which exceeded revenue expectations by bringing in $15 million, setting a new record for the company. This strong performance reflects a narrower loss per share of 2 cents, outperforming analysts' forecasts that predicted a loss of 5 cents. With the overall market on the rise, fueled by optimism stemming from a comprehensive trade agreement between the United States and the United Kingdom, and stability in interest rates, QBTS is well positioned to benefit as investor sentiment toward technology stocks strengthens. However, despite the positive reception today, D-Wave is concurrently facing scrutiny. Investigations by legal firms regarding potential violations of federal securities laws are currently underway. Reports from Carsdale Capital have cast doubt on D-Wave's technology, describing it as a marketing gimmick and questioning its viability as a competitor in the quantum computing space. This dual narrative of impressive earnings alongside potential legal challenges could introduce volatility for QBTS in the short term. In the long run, sustained investor confidence will hinge on D-Wave's capability to effectively address these concerns while capitalizing on its growth potential in a rapidly evolving sector. As investors weigh these factors, the stock price of QBTS may be influenced by both optimistic market sentiment and the repercussions of the ongoing investigations. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned QBTS an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. The D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there is expected support at the levels of $7.66 and $7.37. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal emerging from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted and may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 6.8%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots revealed a sell signal 38 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal 59 days ago. The short-term moving average displayed a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average revealed a buy signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 132 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $10.15. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.18 between its high and low, representing a change of 41.25%. During the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 14.39%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a consistent pattern of negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could indicate potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project a loss of 5 cents per share. It's essential to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $10.60. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum faces its first support level at $10.15. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of May, 2025, Alan E. Baratz executed an insider purchase of 580,117 shares of common stock, which has a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the 22nd of April, 2025, Diane Nguyen carried out an insider sale of 9,969 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the same day, John M. Markovich conducted an insider sale of 19,674 shares of common stock, which similarly has a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. Also, on April 22nd, Alan E. Baratz sold 36,890 shares of common stock at the same par value. Earlier, on the 6th of March, 2025, Diane Nguyen purchased 101,721 shares of common stock, again with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -30.679. In total, insiders acquired 48,524,271 shares and sold 95,047,529 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.85, which represents a decline of 5.48%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over a period of 14 days, stands at 76, which significantly heightens the risk factor. Furthermore, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot peak that was identified 37 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? D-Wave Quantum Inc. presents several positive signals and is currently within a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a favorable choice at these current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of May, we expect D-Wave Quantum to open lower by approximately 74 cents and begin trading at $9.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it's essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here's our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us at Stock Invest.